English vocabulary with Lengo cards. 25 daily routines. Go home. Go home. Arrive home. Arrive home. Go shopping. Go shopping. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do laundry. Do laundry. Clean up. Clean up. Take a nap. Take a nap. Like.
Nap is over. Hit the like button and be our wake up superhero.
Spend time. Spend time. Order dinner. Order dinner. Take a walk. Take a walk. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Watch TV. Watch TV. Take a bath. Take a bath. Quick test.
What activity can leave your socks feeling abandoned and alone? A. Do laundry. B. Take a walk. Write your answers in the comments.
Pay bills. Pay bills. Listen to music. Listen to music. Read a book. Read a book. Call friends. Call friends. Do some art. Do some art. Tuck in. Tuck in. Take medication. Take medication. Subscribe.
Hit the subscribe button below. It's just what the doctor ordered.
Meditate. Meditate. Apply skincare. Apply skincare. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Go to bed. Go to bed. Fall asleep. Fall asleep.